kasama natin si Elmo Magalona.
Patingin na ng Jump Brother ng mga tabarkan sa studio! Tayo naman, disperse in Tagalog.
Ang bag na ito.
Tama.
Ano ba yan? Mga ampon ni Alan Kay. Yung mga babae dito. Eto na. I have a lot of jumping friends over here. Katulad na laban ng Cervania family. Nakikijump brother all the way from New York. And I also have some jumping friends from Taiwan. Ang De La Fuente family. At eto naman si Julia for more.
Yo! Ay! Nako! Hindi magpapatalo sa kanilang Jump Brother moves ang mga dabarkats nating excursionista! Ipakita nyo na ang inyong best Jump Brother moves, ha? Dahil may naghihintay na papremyo sa pinakamagaling Jump Brother mula sa new improved Wings Powder Detergent with anti-kulog power. Talagang abot kaya sa presyong 4 pesos bawat sachet. Asya, tingnan nga natin ang pag-Jump Brother ng Old Palara, Quezon City. Jump with kasamang sigawan naman ang Dabarkats from Sampaloc, Manila. Eh, sa'yo naman, Miss Alan Kay.
Kami ang mananalo sa jump na yan. Tingnan mo ang jump moms na matagakalumpang Bantay Bayan, Marikina City! Ito pa ay nalisto. Barangay 53, Tondo, Manila! Ito ngayon ang tanong ko. May laban ba ang mga dabarkats mo dyan?
Ay nako, kung akala mo kayo lang ang marunong mag-Jump Brother, mas magaling ang daycare workers ng Bulacan!
Oo nga, galing!
Julia, ano na ang kaganapan dyan? Ay, matindi ang balita. Yan ang mga excursionistang hindi mapaawat sa pag-Jump Brother. Pero ang grupong pinakamagaling mag-Jump Brother ay ang daycare workers ng Bulacan! Congrats! Meron po kayong gift packs from Wings Powder Detergents. Umulan man o umaraw sa loob man o labas ng bahay, magsampay, nananatiling mabango ang mga damit. Ganyan ang tunay na malinis. Ganyan ang linis Wings Powder Detergent. Ano, Pauling? Miss AK, ano nang tabalian?
Eto na ang mas kukumpleto ng inyong Wednesday. Ladies and gentlemen, with the maneuvers, here's Elmo Magalona!
Hey, baby like mom, can you teach me how to Dougie? You know why? Cause all the ladies love me. All I need is a beat that's super bumpin'. You back it up and go with me. Put your arms out front, lean side to side. They gon' be on you when they see you hit that Dougie ride. Ain't nobody messing with my bro from Morningside. He go by Bubba and he hit that dance with thunder. Okay, I ain't from Dallas, but I D-10 boogie. I show my moves off and everybody tryna do me. I lead a function and all the ladies tryna screw me. Now you just do you, and I'ma do me. Dudes love to hate, so they try to shoot me. Ladies be stuck to me, I think they try to glue me. I make the party shine bright when it's trying to screw me. This beat was bubble gum, so I had to chew it. Teach me how to do, teach me how to do, teach me how to do, teach me how to do. Everybody love me, everybody love me, everybody love me. You ain't messing with my day. Teach me how to do, teach me how to do, teach me how to do, teach me how to do. Everybody love me, everybody love me, everybody. Hey, you ain't messing with my Dougie. Yeah, for them dudes that don't know me. Know I'm from the West, but I can teach you how to Dougie. Step up in the club and all these ladies love me. All the fellas dancing, none of them know me. Your brother kinda tired, so I pass it to the bro and bone. Show these cats how to do that, out there. We learn a little too fast and brought it to the hood and got the whole crew cast. Teach me how to Dougie, teach me how to Dougie, teach me how to, teach me how to Dougie. Everybody love me, but everybody love me. Everybody, like you ain't messing with my Dougie. Everybody love me, everybody love me. Everybody, like you ain't messing with my Dougie. Back of the party, I'm just hitting like the Dougie. I'm just trying to get me the thick red bone. She do a Dougie and all ladies hating, but I think how to escape and really head home. Dog, girl, you can't tell me nothing. Star make the beat, I just took it up the oven. I just see the Dougie when everybody clubbing. I hate Skinny G, cause I know we keep it broken. Teach me how to Dougie. Teach me how to Dougie. Teach me how to Dougie. Everybody love me. Everybody love me. Everybody, like you ain't messing with my Dougie. Teach me how to 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 Dougie. Everybody love me. Everybody love me. Everybody, you ain't messing with my Dougie.
Maneuvers, Elmo Magalona! Magkakaharap naman ang mga angkan sa pamilyang Pinoy sa magkabalik ng Bulaga!